Assalamu alaikum all everyone. Today I talked um, Ryanair Airlines online check-in system, how to check Ryanair Airlines. So this is my YouTube channel. This channel only airlines video uploaded. So subscribe my channel and watch another video. So this video Ryanair check-in system. So at first Google Chrome browser open here, then typing here Ryanair web checking. Ryanair web checking. Many links showing here ryanair.com. So 1 2 3 4 5 maximum link, same link, any link check in, no problem. So first link, check in Ryanair, click here this link. Yes, agree. So this is the Ryanair Airlines website link. So very nice website. So at first check in reservation number. Reservation number means checking option. So reservation number, click here, then checking page showing. This is the checking page. Okay, reservation number means PNR number, booking number. Typing here, then email address, your email address, typing here, then checking, click here. So again try. This is the main Ryanair website home page. This is home page. So checking option, just wait. Yes, and booking option, booking, my booking, click here, then checking option showing, then the page first page showing reservation number, then reservation number typing here, then email, then your information, select information, fill up, then seat select, then your boarding pass showing, very easily boarding pass showing. So download your boarding pass and save your boarding pass. Thank you all everyone. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.